Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of world's first Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra copy. Now this one you can buy from AliExpress, link is in the description. You can get this for around $36 and it comes with an Amoled display, 60Hz refresh rate. So the box looks very similar to actually original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I ordered this in white color, so you can get this in black as well. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. And the box looks very similar to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. As you can see on the side, we have 47mm size Smartwatch Ultra, and here is the color. So link is in the description guys if you like to purchase this. Seller is Zorwing. He's one of the best seller on AliExpress currently. So just by picking it up, really guys, I'm really liking it so far. The build quality looks amazing. So let's put that to the side and see what's inside the box. We get a strap which is in white color actually. So let me just quickly show you. Inside this box we get our strap and quick start guide, which we don't need actually. So it's very easy to pair these watches. So the application that this watch supports is FitCloud Pro, and here's our charging dock. Charging dock looks very similar to the HK9 Ultra 2. So here is our strap, and the design looks very similar to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. These three things we are getting in the box. So let me just quickly take off the plastic. And guys, it looks really amazing. We have a sticker on the front as well, so let me take that off as well. And we have a screen protector actually installed, which is a unique thing to see. Looks very good actually, that it comes with a screen protector pre-installed. So as you can see on the right hand side, we have crown key, 2 power buttons, and on the back side we have heart rate sensor, glucose. It also supports glucose and blood pressure sensor as well. On the left hand side we have speaker and mic. And as you can see, the mechanism is of strap is very similar to original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I'm going to quickly put the strap, and the strap quality is also very good. I believe you can put the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra strap on it. So here, as you can see, looks very good actually. This is plastic, but still it's okay. And this price, I'm not complaining actually. So as you can see, the mechanism is very similar to original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's very easy to install straps and it looks very good guys. So let me quickly turn this on. I believe it's the bottom button. Let's check. Yeah. Now let's boot this. And guys, it has AMOLED display and a very nice display. So as you can see, I'm going to skip this actually to get into the UI. And here is our watch face. As you can see, the display is outstanding guys. If we swipe from the top, we have quick settings. If we swipe from the bottom, we have notifications. And on the right hand side we have activity, heart rate, sleep tracking, weather application, music application. You can also connect your TWS Bluetooth in this one. And yeah, this watch face looks also very good. So you can also lock the watch face, and you can change the watch face by rotating the crown key. So here is our menu. So guys, it's really smooth. As you can see, I 100% believe it is using a 60Hz refresh rate display. And the touch sensitivity is also very good. So here is our system info. And yeah, I'm really impressed by the smoothness actually. So you can make calls as well. And here is our blood oxygen sensor, heart rate sensor. So let me quickly just change to another watch face. This one also looks very good actually. Because of AMOLED display, it's looking really close to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And this one as well. I really like this watch face, guys. It is looking very similar to the original one. And the build quality is really good. The buttons also is very nice actually. So it has a premium build quality actually. It does not feel cheap at all. The buttons quality is also very good. So you can also change the watch face by rotating the crown key, as you can see. And the crown key feedback is also very good. If you are rotating, you get a vibration haptic feedback, which is very nice actually. And the scrolling is also very smooth. And honestly guys, the speed of this watch is looking very amazing. And here's over another menu style. This one is also very nice. Here's over 3D menu. Here's another style. And as you can see, the smoothness, guys, I'm really impressed by the smoothness. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking this watch or not. And yeah, I'm really liking the smoothness so far. Let's change it back to the original menu style and change the watch face. Let's pick this one. So this watch face has a compass built in, but you have to calibrate it in compass first. After that it will work on the bezel. So let's first try the heart rate sensor. Let me just quickly remove the plastic from the back and put it on a table. And it is actually measuring the table heart rate, which is very annoying. It thinks that you are wearing the watch, but as soon as I pick it up, it's not going to measure and it will give you an error. Still a minor thing. I'm not actually complaining. In this price range, not every feature is going to be perfect. So currently it is measuring actually. So I'm going to have to test the heart rate. How accurate is it? And I will let you know, guys, in the comments down below. So let me just quickly show you another application. We have here blood oxygen, blood glucose, and activity mode. Here's AI, which you can use after connecting it to Fit Cloud Pro. Here's the calculator application. Looks very good actually. The user interface looks very good. And here is one pre-installed game, which I don't know how to play actually. So yeah, let me just quickly go back. And let's calibrate the compass and go back to the watch face. So as you can see, now it is working, the rotating bezel. The built-in bezel, I mean, not the physical rotating bezel. So yeah, it looks very similar to original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So it does not have actually palm gesture, unfortunately, but it has always on display. So let me just quickly show you always on display. If I go into display, here's our raise to wake feature. You can change the watch face as well in this menu. So let me just quickly pick the analog clock, and we have to wait for it to turn off because it does not support palm gesture. So So yeah, here as you can see, looks very good. It is not very dim actually, and that is a good thing. So you can see it, no issues. And the AMOLED display is stunning in this one. I'm really liking the AMOLED display on this one, guys. Now let's test the raise to wake feature. And raise to wake feature is also working perfectly, no issues. As you can see, works really well. And it also looks very good on the wrist actually, the white version especially. So if you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, share this video. It really helps the channel a lot. Also click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I'm going to be doing a water test of this watch because it has IP68 rating. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.